Hello world! Welcome to English 10-Minute Survival, your 10-minute guide to speaking English confidently.
Hi everyone! If you are a beginner and you feel scared to speak, you are in the right place.
Today, we conquer the train station. No more confusion with tickets or platforms. We talk, we buy, we travel. Let's get started. Phrase number 1. I'd like a ticket to destination. Use this at the ticket counter.
Slowly. I'd like a ticket to London. Alex, why not say I want?
I'd like is shorter for I would like. It is more polite and sounds very natural. Phrase number 2. Which platform for destination?
Which platform for London? What is a platform, Alex?
A platform is the place where you stand to wait for the train. It usually has a number like platform 3 or platform 9. Phrase number 3. What time is the next train?
What time is the next train? This is for when I'm late, right?
Yes, or to check if the train is on time. Now repeat after me. I will speak slowly, then at a normal speed. I'd like a ticket to Paris.
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 Now let's practice. I am the staff at the station. You are the traveler. Hello, how can I help you?
I'd like a ticket to Oxford, please.
Single or return?
Return, please. How much is this?
That's $20.50.
Which platform for Oxford?
Platform 2. The next train is at 10:15.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Let's review the survival words from today. Please listen and repeat. Word number 1. Platform. Platform. The area where you board the train. Word number 2. Single ticket. Single ticket. A one-way ticket. Word number 3. Return ticket. Return ticket. A ticket to go and come back. Word number 4. Destination. Destination. The place you are going to. Great. Remember, platform is where you wait. Destination is where you go.
Now it's your turn. We have a small quiz for you.
Look at the screen. You will see 3 situations. Write your answers in the comments below. Question 1. You want to go to New York. What do you say to the staff? A. I want New York. B. I'd like a ticket to New York, please. Question 2. You want to know where to wait for the train. You ask A. Which platform for New York? B. Where is the train? Question 3. You want to go and come back. You ask for A. Single ticket. B. Return ticket. Comment your answers, 1A, 2B, or 3C. We will check and heart the correct ones. Subscribe for our next lesson, The Pharmacy. See you next time.
Bye-bye.